Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to see all the devices, including computers that are connected to your local network. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So in the first method, we are going to use a tool called ARP Scan or just simply ARP Scan. It scans your entire network and shows all the connected devices, including their IP and MAC addresses. First, let's install it. Open your terminal, then update your packages by entering the command in the description box below. Add your password and wait for the update to complete. Once all packages are updated, paste the installation command from the description box below and hit enter. Now wait for the installation to complete. Press Y on your keyboard and it should finish in a few seconds. Once it is installed, you can scan your network by running a simple command, which you can find in the description box below. This is the command. All you have to do is hit enter after pasting the command. This will display a list of devices currently connected to your local network, including their IP addresses and the names of manufacturers. If it says command not found, make sure that you typed ARP scan correctly, as you can see right here. Typing it wrong may cause an error. Now let's move on to the next method. In this method, we are going to use Nmap, a powerful network scanner that can give you more detailed information. To install Nmap, paste the command from the description box below and hit enter. Add your password, wait for the installation, press Y, and then hit enter. Once the installation is completed, it's time to find your local IP range. Type the command from the description box below and hit enter. Once it is done, look for a line that starts with iNet and shows something like 192.168.0.1 or a similar address. Make sure to keep that in mind. Now paste the last command, and here you have to change your network range. For me, the network range is this one right here. For you, it might be different, so simply change it. After entering the network range, hit enter. It will take some time, so be patient and wait for it to complete. This will show all the active devices on your network, as you can see right here. So that's it. Now you know how to find all computers and devices connected to your network using Ubuntu. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching and take care.